My name's Sean Hopkins, architect and lead curator for the large architecture group, and I want to show you how we're integrating your product data into the ArchiCAD BIM solution. So this is an example of how we integrating your product data into a real project. So this was an interior layout that we did for a client. The red walls are the new interior walls. So in this case, your gyprock systems. And what I want to show you is how your integrated data equals well, is all connected. So you can see the blue is your new information. Or the Saint-Gobain product information, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shift this information to a different product. So you'll see the data shift so that wall is intelligent enough to understand what product it is. So moving into your favorites, I can select that same wall and I can say, well, I want a 60-minute fire rated system, and we can select any of your 60 minutes. So there's sound, there's moisture, or we can actually say, well, we want a fire product, and all your fire resistant products will come up for the architect to simply select and shift the data accordingly. Okay, so the important thing to understand here is if we've got a wall, if I go into plan and I actually update this information, so there we are, you can see how the actual plan's updated to match the fire resistant properties that we've selected. But if I update that wall to a different length and I move into 3D, you'll see that the information is actually updated, which means the information will update in the schedule. So there you can see the wall that we selected. What we can do is we can actually move in here and we can say, well, let's just make that a gyprock classic, and we can go and see where that is updated in plan. You'll see the data has shifted, gyprock classic, and it would have updated in 3D as well. So if we go to a fixed view, you'll see that information update, and you'll see that the label has the information is updated as well. So once again, just to run through that test, we can say, well, we want a moisture resistance. We can go to all your moisture resistant products, and we can shift that information. It'll update there, it'll update in 3D, it'll update in 2D, and it'll update in your 1D schedule. So there we are with all your associated properties. So what we've done is we've created a template file which you'll be able to hand out to local professionals. These are all your products set up with the favorites set up, so you've got all your information sitting in there. So if we want to search for a secure wall, we can just search by all these properties. So those are the two secure wall properties in there, and with all the associated data properties. Okay, so that's the connected schedule. There's the specific wall in 3D. And all the 2D information. So the key here for you guys is the favorites, the fact that you can search by drywall. You'll see all the gyprock or Saint-Gobain products come up, or we can search by brand name, so we can search by Saint-Gobain. All your products will come up, or we can search by a 30-minute property or 60-minute property, and all the necessary information will come up. Okay.